Oh crap, this might change everything. Man, it hasn't rained in a couple days. The water is high. We'll give it a shot. That water looks really high though. This is gonna be harder than I thought. Ooh, that's muddy. Ooh. Oh, that's chilly. Well, I had big plans. I might have to change them. This is really cold. My legs are like numb right now. Yep. Got ourselves a golf ball. Alright, we're gonna try to stick it out. Oh, that was a fish. That was a fish. Came and swiped at it. Alright, the water is still very cold, but I'm getting more used to it. There we go, got one. Got one. Got one. Got my first smallie on this inline spinner. Little guy. But beautiful fish. Look at that. Gorgeous. If I can catch a bunch of those, it'll be worth it. Alright, we're going to move down a little bit. Alright, let's see about here. I want to see if there's a fish hanging out behind that rock. Nothing behind that rock. This current is pretty strong. Just trying to be really careful where I walk. Whoa, 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 whoa. That's deeper than I thought. How do I get over there? I think I just gotta hike up my pants and go. Huh. I would have bet money I'd catch something here. Let's go get the Ned rig. Is this an insulator? Oh, really cool. It's an old glass insulator with the wire still on it even. Christine and I collect these, but they are usually in better shape than this. You see this? I caught a little shell. Tell you what, this is all about strategy. Picking a strategy for crossing so you don't fall. I'm not having a ton of luck so far. Alright. I'm convinced. I think we need to move up. It's actually, now that the sun's out, it's actually really nice. Alright, let's keep moving up. Oh man, that is really cold. It should be getting shallower. God dang. Snagged again. Oh, I got a fish. What is it? I think it's a smallmouth. Oh, yep, smallmouth. Man, I got snagged up and then he was just there. Alright. Nice little fish. Oh, jeez. That's always good. Alright, I have a little bit more hope here. Oh, I got a good one. This is a big one, guys. Oh, whoa, whoa. Oh my God. This is a huge one. Oh my God. Oh my God. Guys, this is a monster. Guys, this is huge. This is seriously, this is maybe a 4-pounder. Come on, baby. Come on. Oh my gosh. No, it's not 4. It's 3. It's easily 3. Oh my gosh, guys. Do you see this fish? Oh my God. Look at that. This is a teeny little creek. Oh my gosh. Wow. Beautiful fish. Oh, gorgeous. This is just phenomenal. Great fish. Alright guys, we're going to let her go. I would love to get a picture with it but on my phone, but my phone is not with me, so... Ow, you're biting my finger. Oh my God, guys, that was huge. That's definitely my biggest in this little creek. Definitely. Love the Ned rig. Oh, that's a good cast right there. I should get something on this. Ah, I missed him. Missed him. I got another one. Feels like a smallmouth. Not as big as the last one, but this is still a good one. Oh yeah, this is a good one. Oh, beautiful fish. Beautiful fish. Oh yeah, look at that. I think they're just stacked up back in here. That's a good fish. That's a little pounder. Puts up a fun fight. Alright guys, so again, I can't repeat it enough. This is the rig. 1/10 ounce mushroom head jig. I'm using 8-pound fluoro tied to 20-pound Power Pro. This is Seagar and VizX. I got this little 1/10 ounce mushroom head jig, and then I basically chopped the top off of a range shaky bubbling shaker, and it just has some good action. I mean, I could use an actual Ned rig, but I love the action of this tail. I think it's kind of like a combination of a drop shot and Ned rig, because the Ned rig you don't get much action out of. This you get the combination of the Ned rig on the bottom standing up, and then you get the action of the tail in the water. Got one. He just took it and ran. Come here, buddy. Oh, come on, let me lip you. Oh, jeez. Ah, you little... Why? Making this way harder than it needs to be. Alright, that's a good one. Little pounder. Pretty fish. Very pretty fish. Man, look at the colors. They're like golden. I don't know if you could see that well, but man. Beautiful fish. Look at that eye right there. He's just staring back at you. Just looking like, what the hell is this guy doing to me? Goes right back to where he came from. Alright, let's get out of here. Alright. We're gonna hop on out of here and get to the next spot. Let's go. That's right. Forgot this is kind of a muddy spot. Alright, turning you off. Alright guys, we're back at a different spot. Never fished here before. I want to find a place to get in the water. I think this is probably about as good as any. Ooh, wow, that's cold. This makes me nervous. Oh, of course, and this has to be a thorn bush. Oh yeah, that feels good. Thorny bush right there. Oh my gosh. Ow, ow, ow. Caught on my leg. Oh. Okay. Wow, the warm water's way warmer right here. Holy cow. Let's go down here. I kind of want to walk up this other side. Oh, got one. I saw him come up and chase it. Oh, what is this? What are you? Alright guys, this is an unknown species. Unknown species. I'm not sure what the heck this is. This kind of looks like a fall fish, but I mean, it's got beautiful colors. Alright, let's go. Let's let him go. I thought it was a smallmouth for sure. Okay, it's on that inline spinner. For sure, it's a new species for me. I'm positive I've never caught that before in my life. I love catching new species though, so that's cool. I think there's got to be some smallmouth in here. It's extremely rocky. Oh, bunch of minnows following it. That's not what I want though. Man, this looks good here. Oh gosh, I'm sinking in the bottom here. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. Ugh. Oh gosh, I just sank like a foot. Where are the smallmouth? I want to catch at least one more smallmouth. One more. I got one. Oh, I lost him. I don't think that was a smallmouth. I think that was another one of those other fish. I don't know what that was. Ah, dang it. Oh, there's a bunch of them. Oh, I just saw 3 or 4 of them. Ah, come on, man. Arrgh. I don't know whether they'll go after something like this, but let's throw this in there. Ooh, ooh, that was a fish. Something actually bit. Let's keep moving. Oh, that was a fish. Jeez, what the hell? I'm getting bit. Man, I want to know what it is. Something small. Oh, I can see him. I think that was him. I think it's a bluegill. I think it's a bluegill. Alright, well, I think that was a waste of my time, but I got one. I got one. I don't know what these are, but I got another one of these. Come on. I don't know what this is. Alright guys, I just got this little smallmouth. First smallmouth in this section of the creek. Not a bad one, but definitely not a giant. But let's let him go. Alright, first smallmouth here. I'm not going to be out here too much longer, guys. Let's not support my weight. Neither is that. You know what? Let's go to one more spot upriver. Oh, yep, there we go. Oh, yes. This is a good sized smallmouth. Yes. Alright. He's not bad. It's a good sized one. I felt like there had to be something here. They got a lot of rocks and brush in the water. Man, look how pretty that is. Those spots on the top. Woo. Alright. I don't think he's the only one here. There's another one. There's another. I saw him come up and grab it. Oh, this is definitely a smallmouth. Oh my gosh. He's fighting like crazy. Ooh, this is a good one. This is a good one. Come here. Come here, bud. There's another one. Not the same size. Maybe a pound. But again, beautiful fish. Colors are just amazing on these things. That's why I love them so much. And they fight so hard. Whoop. This is where I came in right here. Can't see anything. Completely muddied up this side of the river. Jesus. Wow. Whoa. Oh my God. Ow, that hurt. Okay, well that was a big boulder. Alright, I think I'm done. I'm done. Oh my gosh. Stupid rocks in my shoe. We're emptying out the shoe. Oh, so much better.